Hello honeycrunchers! The newest Marvel movie, The Avengers Endgame, is now showing on cinemas. And here's a nail art inspired by it. My base color for today is electric blue. Then for all of my nails except for my ring nail, I'm doing a galaxy nail art. Get a thin piece of cosmetic sponge, then pull the end of it to make the surface uneven. Then paint it with white. Now dab it onto your nail. Grab a smaller piece of cosmetic sponge with an uneven surface, then paint it with purple. Then dab it onto the nail. Then do it again with blue. After that, I'm applying a holographic top coat with iridescent shards. And your galaxy nail art is done. Now let's paint Avengers as a symbol to my ring nail. I'm using white acrylic paint. And after that, let them all dry and apply top coat. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!